Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up our Unity kit of the month for the month of October, which you'll see November. It's actually November the 3rd today. I hadn't opened it up because we do a month out anyway, so what's the rush in opening it besides getting excited about playing with the stamp sets. And I don't remember if I looked at the stamp set before now, but here we are. Oh, okay. Interesting. So this is called Golden Glow. Let's see what they have given us as the quote unquote free gift. And we'll look at the inspiration page. Okay. So in our little bag, which is cool, you could always recycle this bag and use it for something else. We get a I think you get 3 little wood pieces, which is cute. You get some acorns, a mushroom, and a leaf. So I do like wood veneer pieces. So just keep those. A tag, which you could always take the tag and do something else with. Looks like a piece of acetate. This is a little vellum box. That's really cute. It's gonna be like a treat box for one person. And then this is really pretty. So it's like a mixed media sheet of paper. I love that. It's really thin too, so you don't have to worry about like tearing it when you're creating with it. You can just tear the pieces, easy peasy. This looks like some type of napkin. Right here, this definitely looks napkinish. You got an envelope and a piece of cardstock that I guess you could fold over and turn into an A2 size card, or a little bit smaller than an A2 size card. So that's really cool. They give you the card front, card base, envelope, and those little pieces. So it's like really curated. And then we have this pumpkin that says boo. I'm curious to see if it's 2 pumpkins in here because I didn't see but one, but I didn't. It was just a quick glance. So this is cute how they did that. And it says boo. And then, now remember I said last month, it would be good if they had put sunflowers in last month's kit with the girl because she has sunflowers in her hand and you could take a. So yeah, it's called Cozy Days. And then we're going to look at what we actually got. So we get a girl drinking something with the wind breezing through her hair. And yeah, you only get 1 pumpkin. So I want to see something really quickly. I'm assuming that they created a mask for this to cover up the pumpkin. So let's see. It says using a stamp platform and a little pumpkin mask the face. Yeah, so they masked the face like I thought, which is great. You can always do that. So anyway, let's get back into it. It says happy fall, which is a good sentiment. Embrace autumn magic. Embrace autumn's magic. Cozy days ahead. Warm wishes and boo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments. Interesting. So you get, in my opinion, you only get really 3 focal points. This lady, this big leaf, and those sunflowers. Other than that, these feel like fodder to me. Um, so we got her, yeah, this, this, and these leaves, which would be really cool for background stamps. The bad thing is these are solid. You know how I feel about solid stamps. And this one probably will give me some issues. I would probably try that one out. And we got these dots. So this is definitely a mixed media, in my opinion. Very mixed media. So let's go ahead and look at the stamps. Am I like, wow, this is a great one? No. Is it the worst one? I have a stamp. Well, it's a few I have never used, but it's one that I was just like, I don't connect with it at all. And this one, it's it is what it is, I guess. if that's the statement that we're making. Now I could see Wonder and Dreamer using this one, and I like this one a lot for the size. Great background, because that's what we do here. We make backgrounds out of stamps that we don't really care for, but we got this thing is huge. It's big. It's bigger than a girl. She don't want to come out. Yep, it's bigger than a girl. So that's something to keep in mind. We got this little pumpkin. And the pumpkin is fairly small. It's smaller than this circle. We've got the three circles, which is good. We could do different colors. I would like to do this one. So for November, no, yeah, November, no, December. So for December, I may try to do this. Use these. And then we got these trees. Of course, we got some dang Christmas trees, right? And these trees are huge too compared to how I envision them. And then we got lots of leaves. So this would probably be good for a Thanksgiving card. So we could use this stamp with last month's Happy Thanksgiving. And then we could use these sunflowers. And this is big. This is almost as big as the dang girl itself. Like if we just cut her hair off, it's the same size. So anyway, these I would like to try to play with, make backgrounds for the girl with the sunflowers in her hand from last month. This, that. We won't pull everything apart, but I feel like October should have had Happy Thanksgiving, right? And this little, I feel like this is an afterthought. Definitely an afterthought. It's just one thing, and then it says boo. But this is cute. The boo, and if you have a pumpkin with a sad face, like a grumpy pumpkin, you just stamp that out, and you can have boo or whatever, something like that. That would be cute. And then we have lots of little leaves, which I am a leaf sucker, right? I like leaves. And then we have this other little weird looking tree. I'm not a big fan of it. But anyway, I'll tell you more about my use it or snooze it tomorrow when you see this video, right? Um, do I already have a clear winner and loser? No, because I'm not very impressed with this kit. I do like some of the images, but overall, it's not like I can't figure out which one not to use because I can clearly look at this and be like, yeah, I don't want to use this one. But we may explore a different path tomorrow. We may explore what I would like to try and do, like with the three circles, some mixed media, maybe. But these trees are just weird to me. I probably will go to the website and see what they have as inspiration, considering that we're a month behind. So anyway, I will say thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comment section which one is your snooze it and which one is your use it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.